Oh, I missed it. I heard this crazy noise, and there was a large, I mean really large woodpecker. He might still be there. Yeah, look. Oh, he's around the other side. Oh, he moved this way. See, there's his head. He's moving around that stump, looking for something to eat. Now he's somewhere else. Oh, there he is. He's at the edge looking for something to eat. I don't have a zoom, so I can't really get him. But he's jumping around. Oh, he found something on the town. I wonder if I can sneak up on him now. Let me leave him. As I get close, he moves farther away. No, mosquitoes are coming up. Mosquitoes are coming up.